Yogurt and granola is one of my favorite breakfasts, especially when it's time to work out. Let's make some. We're going to start by making our own homemade granola, and we're going to make enough that you can use this for a couple of servings. You're going to start with some rolled oats. I prefer the rolled oats over the quick oats because you get the full entire oat. I'm also going to add some raw almonds, and I'm going to crush the almonds myself using the back of a spoon. Feel free to substitute any nut that you like or purchase the nuts already chopped. To this mixture, we're going to add some unsweetened coconut. Coconut is delicious and it adds a great texture to our granola. And we're just going to simply season this with some cinnamon. Yes, you have to have cinnamon. We're going to put this in the oven on a low broil for a couple of minutes. After it's been broiling for about 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to go in and stir it up because you don't want it to get too brown. Put it back in for a minute or so, then pull it out. Let's build our yogurt. This is vanilla Greek yogurt. It's very, very lightly sweetened, so I'm going to add just a little bit of honey because I want it a little sweeter, and plus honey is absolutely delicious. I love granola, so this is where I load this up. I'm feeling good because I made it myself. I know it doesn't have a high sugar content, so I'm just going to load my yogurt up with granola. And I'm also going to add some beautiful blueberries. I keep the frozen blueberries because they last a lot longer. And voila, there you go. Homemade yogurt parfait. Bon appetit. Let's eat.